Hey everyone, it's Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be looking at the market here, and we haven't done this in a little while, so we're actually going to go back and take a look at Bitcoin and Ethereum. If we look here at this post, PancakeSwap actually added a gamified Bitcoin and Ethereum price predictions on the BNB chain. So PancakeSwap has expanded its prediction market on the BNB chain, now allowing users to actually bet on Bitcoin and Ethereum price movements in fast-paced 5-minute rounds. So you can see here some of the keynotes. PancakeSwap's prediction market now supports Bitcoin and Ethereum alongside BNB. The feature allows users to predict up or down price moves in that 5-minute round, and this model offers a gamified, high-engagement experience distinct from traditional prediction markets. So they're continuing to add some of this utility into the PancakeSwap system altogether. And I want to jump though into the actual price of Bitcoin and where we could see it going, because we have a lot of different posts on Cointelegraph by different authors here, as well as a post on Yahoo Finance that I want to walk through. But before we do so, I do want to make sure you guys know about the NFC crypto hardware wallet, a hardware crypto wallet in a card. Simple, secure, always with you. This is not a bank card, it's your personal hardware wallet with multi-chain support, built in a familiar, slim, durable card format. It works without batteries, wires, or internet, using NFC for instant authentication and wallet access. So you can see here as we go through some of the pictures what it looks like, and you can see how the app actually looks as well. Very, very cheap price of $39, $10 off right now today. If you guys want to look at this, you can actually look through some of the reviews as well, all being 5-star reviews. So it's something that you'll see a lot of people starting to get into, is something like this, where all transactions and authentications are signed by tapping the card to your phone and entering your PIN code. Your private keys never leave the card, ensuring ultimate protection against theft or hacking. You are the sole owner and controller of your assets. No intermediaries, no servers, and that's why this has maximum security. The card is built on a certified secure chip with FIDO support, the global standard for secure authentication. Private keys are generated and stored inside the chip and are actually never exposed. So the universal access is also a big one. The card works in all major web browsers through mobile or official mobile apps for iOS and Android. Manage your assets anytime, anywhere. And that's what's so cool about this, as well as you can see that they have multi-chain support with Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Arbitrum, and so many more. They also talk about some of the key benefits, being standard card format, it fits in any wallet, battery, free, and wireless, always ready to use, Web3 login and DApp access support, ideal for daily use and cold storage, as well as full self-custody, no third parties involved. So if you guys want to learn more about this, you can set up your card in just a few simple steps, as well as you can actually buy the card today. They have a nice little FAQ here as well. You can walk you through some of the questions a lot of people might have. And if you do want to get started, like I said, there will be a link down in the description below so you guys can look at this today. I want to walk though right back over to that Cointelegraph article. Bitcoin all-time high due in 2 to 3 weeks as price fills 117K futures gap. So the Bitcoin market forecasts see the chance for BTC price action to pass current all-time highs next, thanks to a combination of demands and bull market patterns. You can see some of the key points being Bitcoin futures markets fill a CME gap for mid-August, the latest sign of market strength. Bulls must avoid turning that level into resistance or new local lows await. So a lot of people are kind of, going either way with this, but it does look for the most part like we do have a bullish scenario. BTC price all-time highs could come in just a matter of weeks. Bitcoin also reclaimed 115K. Watch these BTC price levels next. So Bitcoin price sees a modest recovery driven by derivatives with big overhead resistance above 116,000 in place and several key support levels below. So one thing or a key takeaway from this article is Bitcoin price actually rose 1.5% to over 115,000, with on-chain indicators suggesting market momentum is picking up, and BTC must hold above 115,000 to secure the recovery, with resistance at 116,000 to 121,000. So again, if you guys are interested, they also have a nice little Yahoo Finance article talking a little bit more about this. The Winklevoss twins call for that 1 million Bitcoin price as Gemini goes public. So a lot of good things continuing to go down for Bitcoin. I do want to go, though, like I said, back over to the NFC hardware wallet. If you guys are interested in this today, make sure to jump down into the description of today's video, click the link, and you can actually buy one very easily and secure it today. So thanks again for tuning in. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on. I'll see you guys all in the next one.